We'll start exercise 9 by going into model space, changing the layer to make 1 current, and start with the line command, and this time we'll start with the front view. Pick any point and go down 0.63, enter. Go to the right 2, enter. Go up 1.25, enter. Go to the right 0.63, enter. Enter again, and I'll zoom that up to see what it looks like. Now we're going to draw a line with OSNAP on from here to here. Escape or enter. And we're going to copy this line, and that line, those 3 lines, and drag them over to do the right side view. We're going to offset O, enter, 1.25, enter. Then we're going to offset again, so hit enter twice. 1.13, enter. Enter twice to repeat the command. And we're going to offset 0.63, enter. Enter twice. 0.63, I'll accept that. And we move this line over here like so. So now we'll do F, enter. Now hit escape. F, enter. Clean up this intersection here. Clean up this intersection here. Clean up this intersection here. Type, and then we can also enter and clean up this intersection as well as this intersection. So the right side looks correct, but now we have to project over. So I'm going to copy this, drag it over here like so, escape. I'll do the fillet command here and extend EX, enter, to this line, enter, that line. Now we'll do the top view. So I'm going to copy these 3 lines and drag them up. We'll offset O, enter, 1.25, enter. And we'll fillet these, F, enter. And we'll draw a line from this intersection all the way up. We'll draw another line from that intersection all the way up. And we'll offset 0.63, escape. Undo, that was a mistake. Gonna offset 0.63. Okay. Escape F enter fillet. We'll clean up that intersection. Then we want to trim, TR enter, from that line and that, enter that. The three views are correct, so now we want to dimension, and so I'll click on layer, make DIM the current layer, and we'll start dimensioning from here up. Because the dim scale is 1, because this drawing will be plotted at 1:1. And as you know, you can take off the object snap and the ortho, and you can click on any dimension and relocate the number like that. Hit escape. You can even do it here. Click on that, move it, no, escape, undo. I'll click on that, get the grips, and then I'll move it inside here like so. The 2D drawing is complete, so we'll make layer solid current, zoom real time to shrink it down, pan to put it in the lower left corner. And now we need to do trace with a polyline. I'll select the polyline. I'll put the O-snap on. M enter, L enter. I want to move this to the upper right. Also, you want to do another polyline of that right triangle. M enter, L enter, and move that up as well. Go into southeast isometric and zoom with the window when I'm going to convert it into a solid. I'm going to type EXT to extrude the polygon 1.25, enter, extrude the triangle 0.62, and I suppose I ought to move them apart. Move that over there. Now you want to use the 3D rotate command and select the two objects. Pick a base point. We'll click the red ribbon. I want them to go counterclockwise, so it's 90. Enter. Now I want to move. M enter the triangular block from that point to there, and we can union both pieces together to make one, and shade it to see what it looks like. It looks okay, so I'll Z enter, E enter, then go into the top view, then go into the layout, and I'm going to now make layer viewports current. I'm going to take off OSNAP and Ortho, and I'm going to type MV enter to create a viewport. Looks like I'll need a big one, like that. Hit enter to repeat and make a smaller viewport on top. Double click inside, then go to Southeast Isometric, pan, and zoom. Zoom real time to make it even bigger. Double click outside to get back into paper space. Click on the large viewport and go down to annotation scale and select 1:1. Double click inside the viewport, then pan. Oh, sorry, my mistake. You have to double click inside the viewport, then pan when you're in model space. Looks like that. Now double click outside. I'm going to zoom with a window, only the solid model. Double click inside. View, orbit, continuous orbit. See what it looks like. Woo! Oh, try a different direction. Okay, now zoom previous. Double click outside. Z enter, E enter, zoom extents. Click on the layer button, make layer 1 current. Also, I forgot to freeze the viewports layer. So now the drawing is correct and you want to save it. Thank you for watching.